And then I also picked up Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Choerline and we are back with another video. As you can tell by the title, today we're gonna be trying out some new makeup products, okay? Your girl went to Ulta, okay? Picked up some new products, including the WYN Beauty by Serena Williams. So we're gonna go ahead and try this out today. I got the foundation and I got the concealer. So this is what the packaging looks like. WYN Beauty. I was shade matched with the shade for the hydrating skin tint, which is going to be in the shade 495, and then this is the soft matte creamy concealer and the shade 450, which is Envision. And she said that was perfect shade match. So I also picked up some other goodies as well, so let's just go ahead and bring them out, hey. I also got the Smashbox Photo Finish Resurface Smooth and Renew Primer. This is what they recommended for someone who has oil combination skin, so we're gonna test that out today. I also picked up some brow products. So I got the brow glue from NYX in the color Clear, and then I got this Lift and Snatch brow tint pen, and this is in the color Black. So we're gonna go ahead and use this for our eyebrows today. And then I was watching TikTok, and I think Fumi, she talked about this Kula Classic Face Mist, which is perfect. She said even if you have makeup on and you want to spray this on your face, it will do you some good. Let's go ahead and get into this video. If you want to see more of me in your timeline, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Okay, period, period, and period. This is what the packaging looks like for the WYN Beauty. I actually like it. It reminds me of tennis. Me and my sister recently, we've been like, you know, playing tennis. I think not even recently, for the past year, I would say. We play tennis on and off. We definitely want to get lessons. We are tennis girls. Like, I would have never thought. I don't think it's a foundation. It's like a hydrating skin enhancing tint. So, and it is light with buildable coverage, and it gives you a natural radiant finish, and it's suitable for all skin type, including sensitive skin. And it has SPF 30. This is what the packaging or the bottle looks like. I actually like it, and then you see the shade here. This is the concealer with the doppel. I think you get a good amount of concealer. I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows because we gotta do that first. And then I'll be back so we can test out this WYN Beauty by Serena Williams. Alright guys, so I did my eyebrows to the best of my ability. So now we're gonna go ahead and use the Smashbox Photo Finish. I wanted to see what it's looking like. Let me read the directions for this one. Infuse with okay, directions. Smooth over face twice daily. Wear alone or under makeup to help even skin texture. That. So I'm only gonna put it like put here on my nose and here. Shake it up, shake it up, shake it up, shake it up, shake it up. Okay, so I want to put it in the back of my hand. Is it locked? Hold on. Oh, it is locked. So like, this is to lock it, this is to unlock it, I'm assuming, yeah. Okay. Oh, it's very liquidy. Liquidy, eh. Liquidy, eh. I like to spray my brush before I go ahead and put this all over, and then spread it to the back of my hand and apply it on my face. Again, this is a skin tint. Oh wow. You know what, when the girl was matching it to my skin, she was like, girl, this is your color. Okay. Maybe I should just do this side first. Let's see. Ooh, can you guys see? Look at it. No skin tint, a little skin tint. I'm not mad at it. Remember, it is lightweight and you could like put more on to build more coverage. But wow. Okay, this is one side of my face with it and this is it without. So I feel like this is like the perfect shade for summertime. Like it's literally matching. I don't know if it's a little bit too dark, but I don't mind my little foundation or my skin tint being a little bit darker because everything else you're gonna put on it, like concealer and everything else, is gonna, you know, brighten it up. Yeah, it's giving skin. It's really giving skin. What do you guys think? Let me go ahead and do this side and then we're gonna go ahead and put on the concealer. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and go in with our concealer. This is again in the shade 450 and the name of it is Envision. Under eye. Ooh. It's very creamy, I can say that. I'm going to let my concealer sit for a while. Oh, my fan was just working, but now it's not. Literally, y'all, I had charged a fan. We're gonna go ahead and use a brush. Do you guys like using blush or like a beauty sponge? I'm loving using a brush to blend out my under eye concealer. So we're gonna go ahead and do that and we're gonna go ahead and blend it out. Not bad. It blended out really nice. I ain't gonna lie. And the coverage is not too bad. Like, wow. It is really, and it's nice and creamy. Not like too creamy, and it's not like too dried down, but it's just perfect. I actually do like this shade. Oh, y'all forgot my chin. Not by the hair of my chinny chin. Alright, make sure we get our chin. I actually like this. I want you guys to see up close and personal. Get into the skin. Not too much, okay? But you guys, look how shiny and radiant I am. I'm liking this concealer and I like the skin tint as well. So let me go ahead and finish off the rest of my face and then we'll be back to discuss everything together. So you guys, this is the final look. I like this. I like this WYN Beauty skin tint. Hydrating skin enhancing tint, SPF 30. Yo, this creamy radiant concealer. I did go ahead and, you know, add a little bit of a little extra pizzazness, you know, just do the rest of my makeup routine like I usually do. Overall, you guys, the face is sitting, okay? Period, honey, period. It looks so good. It looks really, really good. We're winning over here, baby. It feels so lightweight. I feel like this is the perfect thing you could get for the summer. Get into the skin, you guys. My face feels like there's nothing really on my face. It doesn't feel like heaviness. So I really, really like that because it is so hot in Florida. So knowing that I can wear something that really gives me like a nice base that I can build up on with the other products that I'm wearing, I love it. 10 out of 10. Okay, 10 out of 10. Now we do have to see about the wear test to see like how it looks throughout the day, because again, I do have oily combination skin, so yeah, I really want to test that out next. But this WYN Beauty by Serena Williams will definitely be my go-to for the summer. This is very hydrating and lightweight, and you could build it up, but this is perfect for the summer. First impressions, I like it. This is like the first wear test. I would recommend it. And you guys, for my lips, in case you're wondering, I have on the Fenty Beauty, the Fuchsia Flex, and the lip liner I use is the MAC and the lip pencil is the Night Moth. So these two together to get that lip look that was trending all over TikTok and Instagram. So yeah, tried it and I love it. That is pretty much it for this video. Comment down below if you heard about WYN Beauty, if you try WYN Beauty, if you're going to try WYN Beauty, or you're like, girl, whatever, this not for me. But if you're somebody who doesn't really like heavy makeup, I definitely would recommend this because you could wear it on a day-to-day wear. You could build up the coverage, but it's not heavy. Like I'm telling you, I don't feel like I have nothing on my face. Like it's not feeling like cakey. It doesn't look cakey. It looks very well put together. And Serena, girl, I'm not mad at you for this, okay? Because people had doubts, but I got you, girl. Well, you got us, WYN. Comment down below if you purchased or going to purchase or thought about purchasing, or you know, like, girl, whatever, bye. If you want to see more of me on your timeline, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for tuning in, and like I always say, put God first and you will never be last, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.